Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, I will show you how to find your Windows 11 product key quickly and easily using simple steps that anyone can follow. We will go through each step so you can safely get your product key without any trouble. Step 1. Open Registry Editor as administrator. Click on the Windows icon, type regedit, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because you need admin access to view system keys. Step 2. Open HKey Local Machine. In the Registry Editor, double-click HKey Local Machine. This opens the main registry area where system settings are stored. Step 3. Open the Software folder. Next, double-click the Software folder. This folder contains settings for Windows and installed programs. Step 4. Open Microsoft. Now, click on Microsoft to expand it and view Microsoft-related system settings. This helps you find Windows details. Step 5. Open Windows NT. Click on Windows NT. This folder contains information related to Windows versions and system data. Step 6. Click on Current Version. Now, click on Current Version. This folder holds details about your active Windows version. Step 7. Open Software Protection Platform. Now, click on Software Protection Platform. This section manages Windows activation and licensing. Step 8. On the right side, find and click Backup Product Key Default. Here you will see your Windows 11 product key. This key is used to activate Windows, so make sure you save it in a safe place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Explore Error for more helpful Windows tips.